In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove your pin from Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove pin, you need to go to settings, click on start menu. Now click on settings. In settings, click on accounts. Now scroll down, expand sign in options. Here you will find your pin option. Click on pin. Here remove button is disabled, so you cannot remove pin from here. But if you want, you can change pin from here, but you cannot remove pin from here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to remove pin. It's an alternative way. Click on accounts again, scroll down, and under account setting, the first option is your info. Now expand your info, scroll down. Here you will find an option sign in with a local account instead. Click on this link. Here the notification. Are you sure you want to switch to a local account? Click on next. You need to provide your PIN number here. Click on OK. You will create a local user account and the username. You can change the username or you can use this username. Type your password, type confirm password and a password hint. Click on next, click on sign out and finish. Preparing your local account. The computer is signing out right now. Okay. Now I'm going to sign in from my local account. Click on sign in option. Click on password icon and give your password. Click here to sign in. I have signed in with my new account and with password. Now again click on start menu. Click on settings. Click on accounts. Scroll down. Click on sign in options. Click on pin. Now remove these sign in options and remove button is enabled right now. Now you can remove the sign in options from here. Click on remove. Are you sure want to remove your pin? I am sure. Click on remove. Verify your account password. Verify my password. Click on OK. PIN number is removed right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.